Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking Mongoose as the single, consistent way to define schemas for MongoDB and Node.js. Connect to your cluster with Mongoose. Connect and open a models folder. Once done, declare the logical fields you need and their types: string, number, date, Boolean, object ID, and plan required versus optional fields. Make sure to include indexes and unique constraints up front. Now create a file like user. Model.js and import Mongoose to start the first schema definition. You now flesh out the schema. Define each field with type, required, default, and validation rules. For arrays and nested objects, use subschema or nested schema definitions. For relationships, use object ID with ref pointing to the related model. Once done, attach schema methods, virtuals, and pre/post hooks for lifecycle logic. Make sure to set timestamps, true for created at /updated at. Finally, compile your model with Mongoose. Model user schema, so you can import it across the app. You finish by exporting each compiled model and verifying the connection flow in your app startup. Once done, seed a small dataset and run CRUD operations to confirm validation, defaults, and relationships work as intended. Make sure to version schema changes and migrate data when altering field types. If things go wrong, check Mongoose validation errors and enable debug logging. A common fix is aligning schema types with stored document shapes or adding schema. Strict, throw to catch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.